Providing an optimal clinical experience requires a reliable fleet of medical technology. This is achieved with a successful maintenance program. Ensuring every system is available and up to date is critical for uninterrupted patient care. Managing this effort across your organization can be a challenge. Philips Managed Maintenance Service goes beyond the traditional reactive break-fix approach, providing original equipment manufacturer quality and performance across all medical equipment, delivered through a right-sized vendor-agnostic contract. Engaging multiple suppliers through separate service agreements can be burdensome and inefficient. We take sole responsibility for asset management and maintenance, allowing you to benefit from improved system availability, service resilience, cost certainty, reduced staff pressures, and greater access and reliability of service. By providing asset planning and optimization services in combination with performance management solutions, we help you gain the operational and financial insight you require. Access to comprehensive asset data provides accurate service record information, enabling detailed performance reporting, regulatory compliance, and quality control. KPIs allow performance to be measured to ensure a guaranteed level of service. Philips Managed Maintenance Service is a transparent, fixed-cost solution, leading to financial clarity and improved long-term asset lifecycle management. By partnering with Philips through a one-contract, one-contact maintenance solution, you achieve operational, clinical, and financial control, which empowers you to focus on delivering an optimal clinical experience.